This is a 13 on your side weather update.
We're back to some cloud cover now. We had some scattered showers come through, and now we're bracing ourselves for wind. It'll be a very windy Saturday coming up. 13 weather ball also blinking bright. We have more showers. Most of those will be late tonight into the early morning hours on Saturday. It's also green, no change to the 60s foreseen, and this view sponsored by Tullymore Golf Resort. Introducing Berkeley. You should have a good walk here this evening. It'll be wet, but I don't think there'll be any falling rain in most areas. Emma, take them on any time. It'll be in the 60s all night, even in the morning. Give you a yellow paw for the start of your day because there's going to be rain for the first half of your Saturday. Very little in terms of sun tomorrow, so not a great day to create a green energy from the sun. Great day for wind, 9.8 out of a 10-point scale, all due to the wind here tomorrow. Got a stationary front that's been just kind of slowly creeping in our direction the last couple of days, separating the warm, mild air from the colder air back to the west. There are numerous showers. Most of them have been north of Muskegon right now, and those are expected to move on out this evening. And then it will be a while before any showers come in. This is 11 o'clock this evening. This is right around 4 o'clock in the morning. So the showers will arrive, and then they're going to become widely scattered into the afternoon hours, and then finally end between about 3 and 6 p.m. with some late day clearing. But as that classic fall system moves on up into the western UP, the winds are really going to increase tomorrow morning. They'll start to come down on Sunday. Sunday will be the better of the 2 days. In terms of rainfall, some areas could see over a half to 1 inch of rain. This will be from Ludington northward. We may end up with another 3/4 of an inch here in Grand Rapids. Most of that will be coming during the morning hours tomorrow. Big thing will be the windy Saturday. Winds will start to gust to 30+ miles per hour overnight. This is when the wind advisory goes into effect at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. These wind gusts up around 40 to 45+ inland, 50+ along the lakeshore. So your lawn furniture might be tossed about if you don't already have it stored. Then the winds start to come down on Sunday, 10 to 15 mile per hour wind gusts on Sunday. Long range outlook as we go from the 12th through the 18th of the month. We are going to cool off eventually. Large part of the country is going to see cooler than average temperatures, and our average temperatures are in the 40s. So it's not going to get out of the 40s, but high chances that most, if not all of the country will see less precipitation. Forecast then for tonight, still windy at the lakeshore. You'll see some more late night showers towards daybreak tomorrow. I know there's some showers going on Muskegon northward. Those will pretty much come to an end. It'll be a mild night, low in mid-50s. Showers up north this evening, then a period of dry weather. Your showers will return after around 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. Overnight lows in the mid-50s. Grand Rapids southward, we have seen a few showers, but most of the night will be dry. We may see some showers roll in around 4 or 5 o'clock through about 7 o'clock before the sun comes up. Certainly becoming windy overnight, especially away from toward the lakeshore. Overnight lows in the upper 50s. 13 on your side forecast. Still 65 tomorrow despite the showers. 61 and breezy on Sunday. We'll get an extra hour of sleep due to the time change, fall back 1 hour. Mid-50s on Monday and Tuesday. We've taken most, if not all, of the rain out for the early part of this next week. Warming back into the 60s Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Next round of rain holding off now until Friday night. Behind that front will turn sharply colder over next weekend with highs again only in the 40s. First round of showers has come and gone here in West Michigan. Main round coming late tonight and early tomorrow. Also a lot of wind, especially tomorrow. 13 weather ball is blinking bright for the showers in sight on your Saturday. It's also green, no change to the 60s foreseen. And this view sponsored by Tullymore Golf Resort. Highs today made it into the mid-60s where it took longer or where it didn't rain. It made 70+ once again, well above our average high of 52, and came within 1 degree of our forecast high. We've been within 3 degrees over the past 10 days. It's been a warm day. Overnight lows have been in the mid-50s to low 60s, and in a few spots, those will be the warmest overnight lows on record. A lot of those set back in 1994 and 1938. Heaviest rain has been off to the north and west of Grand Rapids, as we said it would be. 1/1800ths of an inch over in Muskegon. We had 900ths here in the greater Grand Rapids area. Best day to do some leaf raking will not be on Saturday. Sunday will be better, but the ground may be wet to start the day. It still will be breezy, however, but the winds will lighten up throughout the day, and Monday will be the best day. But out of the weekend, Sunday will be the best. We got a wind advisory going into effect at 8 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. The highest winds will be right around mid to late afternoon. It'll expire at 8 a.m. Here is the current radar showing the showers. Showers moving north of Grand Rapids over the next few hours. It's going to be pretty quiet up until around 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. We'll see the heavier showers come through during the morning hours, and then there'll be some widely scattered showers coming through and ending starting around 3 o'clock at the lakeshore, and certainly by 6 o'clock off to the east of us. That's when most of the showers will be done. And then it's clearing skies overnight on Saturday night. On Sunday, we've got mostly sunny conditions returning. An additional 3/4 of an inch to maybe even a little over an inch up here at Fremont. All of that will be coming late tonight through the middle of the day tomorrow, and then we won't see any more rain for quite a while. The other story is the winds. The winds will start to increase. This is 8 o'clock tomorrow morning when the wind advisory goes into effect. So already gusting to 35 plus at the lakeshore. By the end of the day, it could be 50 plus along the lakeshore, 45 plus in the inland areas. Any patio furniture that you haven't put away may be tossed about. And then the winds will start to come down after 8 o'clock tomorrow evening, and they'll be much lighter during the day on Sunday. Maybe that will be when you can rake up all of the leaves that blew in from your neighbors into your yard. Every Friday we show the long range outlook. This is starting on November 19th through December 2nd. We are looking at high chances of continuation of warmer than average temperatures. But by that time, average highs are around 40 to 46. So most likely 40s to 50s, and an equal chance for more or less rainfall, less of a chance in the southeast, more of a chance where they need it out in the Pacific Northwest. Tomorrow we got that wind advisory. It'll be windy everywhere with highs in the mid 60s, plenty of rain, especially early half of the day. Up north, windy as well, mid 60s here. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll see those showers ending from west to east in the afternoon. Highs tomorrow in the mid 60s. 13 on your side forecast. Sunny, breezy Sunday. Monday, it'll be cool, but 55 and sunny, mostly sunny on Tuesday. A lunar eclipse early in the day before sunrise. Low and mid 60s Wednesday through Friday of next week. Following chance of rain will come next Friday night with a cold front that will drop our temperatures into the 40s next weekend.